Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 57. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 母语、语言、方言、打字、英文、中文、日语、韩语。If you guys have any questions, you can watch lesson 56 and also the quiz station videos again. In the first slide, we have 头发,头发,头发. 脸,脸,脸. The meaning of 头发 is hair, and the meaning of 脸 is face. So 头发 is hair, and 脸 is face. Once again, 头发 is hair, and 脸 is face. Let's read together. 头发,头发,头发. 脸,脸,脸. The next slide, we have 嘴,嘴,嘴. 闭嘴,闭嘴,闭嘴. The meaning of 嘴 is mouth, and the meaning of 闭嘴 is shut up. So 嘴 is mouth, and 闭嘴 is shut up. Once again, 嘴 is mouth, and 闭嘴 is shut up. Let's read together, guys. 嘴,嘴,嘴,闭嘴,闭嘴,闭嘴. Another vocabs here. 鼻子,鼻子,鼻子. 耳朵,耳朵,耳朵. 鼻子 is nose, 耳朵 is ear. So 鼻子 is nose, 耳朵 is ear. Once again, 鼻子 is nose, 耳朵 is ear. Let's read together. 鼻子,鼻子,鼻子, 耳朵,耳朵,耳朵. We also have another two vocabs here. 脖子,脖子,脖子. 眉毛,眉毛,眉毛. 脖子 is neck, 眉毛 is eyebrow. So 脖子 is neck, 眉毛 is eyebrow. Once again, 脖子 is neck, 眉毛 is eyebrow. Let's read together. 脖子,脖子,脖子,眉毛,眉毛,眉毛. So that's all guys for today's lesson. Thank you so much. Don't forget to review the vocabs that we have learned today. I will see you guys again on our next lesson.